Welcome to my channel. This is the Gaza Performance Garage. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well so you can see all the new videos with the Gaza Performance Garage. Also, if you would like, you can sign up for the $100 giveaway every month on the 19th. This is a giveaway of $100 per one lucky winner. Okay? All you have to do to enter is hit that subscribe button and put SC300 and SC400 in the comment section of any video, and I'll put you in for the drawing. Alright guys, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get to work. First thing I got to do is clean off the grease, the oil that's on this. Isn't she beautiful? Brakes, I love them. Alright guys, that's it. Let's get to work. There we go, guys. We have our rotors. I just cleaned them off. There's a lot of oil on them. And right here we will be taking off the tire. If you look closely right here, you'll see that big crack on that rotor right there. Let me zoom in for you. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Come on, baby. Look at that big crack, will you? Yeah, so that's what's happening right here, right now. Here we go, guys. We're going to go ahead and start by removing the wheel so we can get to the brakes. Moving closer. A big old nasty crack, brother. Look at this. It goes from straight here all the way down. Wow. That's crazy. Oh well, shit happens, right? We're gonna get this all squared away.
Easy, easy, come on. Thank God the crack didn't reach inside the drum like the other one. Let me see. Apparently it was just the other side that was cracked. Good thing it changed it out. You gotta, if you do one side, you gotta do the other side. That's just my philosophy. Alright, so this has served its time, did well, good times, but it's gotta go. Okay, I'm gonna go and adjust the e-brakes on the car. I'm turning that knob. Apparently this one is out of whack. Just turn it. Adjust it out really far out. There we go. So I'm going to go back up. One. Also guys, my 3,000 mile tire review. This tire is phenomenal. It hooks up like nothing else that I know about. This is the Achilles. Rotors look so freaking nice. I should have gotten them like this a long time ago.
That subscribe button and the notification bell, turn it on. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope I helped you on knowing how to replace these things. I hope so. With that said, guys, thank you very much for your time. Be sure to look out for your brakes. Your brakes, very important. Cracked rotors, no joke. When it comes to drilled rotors, it's like number one on cracking. Okay, if you do heavy braking, these rotors will crack, and they have a lifespan. It's not very long like the smooth surface rotors, or the slotted and the smooth surface rotors. They last the longest. All right. But that's it, guys. Thank you very much for your time. This is Mr. Gaza. Say peace, love, and harmony.